Hello friends, welcome to the world of the physics. Now chapter number 2, units and measurement. Units and measurement. Question arise in our mind. What is unit? Unit means whenever you are going to vegetable market, and you say give me a 1 kg potato. Give me a 1 kg potato. Listen carefully. 1 kg potato. Here 1 kg. Kg, that is the unit. Kg, that is the unit. If you are going to the fruit market and say give me 1 kg apple, 1 kg apple, then here kg, that is the unit. In same way, if you are going to for other things and you say give me some amount of milk, give me some amount of water, then water measured in the liter. 1 liter milk, 1 liter milk or water. Here liter, that is the unit. 1 liter. Now if you are going to the some plumber's shop and you say give me 1 meter length pipe, give me 1 meter length pipe, 1 meter. Here meter is the unit. Understand what is unit? Unit is the basic quantity for any physical measurement. That is the basic quantity. Kilogram, liter and meter, all are the units. If you are going to the vegetable market or some other, say give me that things, then you say amount, kilogram, liter or meter. Understood? In same way, in chapter number 2, we will study about the units, some instruments and measurement, how we can measure the length, time, mass, electric current, voltage, thermodynamics, temperature, mole, intensity of mole, etc. With the help of the physical instruments, physical instrument like here vernier caliper, micrometer, screw gauge, spirometer. These are the physical instruments. With help of that physical instrument, we can measure the distance or dimensions as per our requirement. That is the measurement. We will study it in next few lectures. Now, in today's our lecture, we will discuss about the units and measurement. In them, first of all, we will know about the what is dimensional formula. What is dimensional formula? Have we, students, have you any idea about the dimensional formula? No. Till now, we have not studied about the dimensional formula. Up to standard 10, we have studied only units, but we don't know that is the unit. Now we will study the units and measurement. In units and measurement chapter, we will learn about the dimensional formula. Question arise in our mind. What is dimensional formula? What is dimensional formula? Friends, whenever we are representing mass with m, whenever we are representing mass with m, length with L, mass with m, length with L and time with T. Whenever we are representing mass with m, length with L and time with T, the combination of mass, length and time. The combination of mass, length and time. If we shall derive the equation with the help of these three quantities, mass, length and time, that is the dimensional formula. That is the dimensional formula. Once again I repeat, what is dimensional formula? Dimensional formula means whenever we are representing mass with m, length with l and time with t, the combination of mass, length and time, the combination of mass, length and time, that is the dimensional formula. And the power of this combination, power of this m, l and t, if we say power of mass is m1, power of length is l1, power of time is l1, that is power of this m, l, t, that is the dimensions, that is dimensions, power of this m, l and t, that is the dimensions. Here dimensions are 1, 1 and 1. Understood? What is dimensional formula and what is dimensions? Dimensional formulas means whenever we are representing mass with m, length with l, time with t, the combination of mass, length and time, the combination of mass, length and time are the dimensional formula. And the dimensions, what is dimensions? Dimensions means the power of m, l and t, the power of m, l and t are known as the dimensions. Now 7 base quantities, 7 base quantities. The 7 base quantities are mass, 7 base quantities. In the first one is mass, length, time. Thermodynamics temperature K, luminous intensity CD, luminous intensity CD, and substance of any amount measured in gaseous form, that is mole. We will study in behavior of gases chapter mole. M, L, T, K, CD, mole, and last one is the ampere, current measured in the ampere. Mass, length, time, thermodynamics temperature K, intensity CD, mole, and electric current capital A. These 7 are base quantities. With the help of these 7 base quantities, we shall derive the dimensional formula and dimensions. Understood? MLT, K, CD, mole, and electric current A. Now, dimensional formula represented by the square bracket. Dimensional formula represented by the square bracket. If I want to say the dimensional formula of mass, then the dimensional formula of mass, we can write dimensional formula of here mass is equal to m1. Dimensional formula is represented by the square bracket. If any physical quantity is represented by the square bracket, then we shall understood that physical quantity is dimensional formula. Now, in physics, 11th and 12th science physics, there are more than 300 to 350 and more than 350 dimensional formulas, but at a time we cannot remember all these formulas. At a time we cannot study all these formulas. That is too much difficult. So we can learn, we can study only simple base formulas, dimensional formulas. Now today we will learn only few number of formulas. From that we can derive some other dimensional formulas. Then here first one is the distance. The dimensional formula is represented by the square bracket. Dimensional formula is represented by the square bracket. Friends, these all terms that I have written on the board, you have learned in standard 10th in science subject, in physics portion. The distance measured in the length, the dimensional formula of the distance is L1. But we should write that dimensional formula in the MLT form. We should write all the dimensional formulas in the M, L and T forms, MLT forms. The dimensional formula of distance is distance measured in length, L1. M0, we shall write M0, L1 and T0. Means the value of this dimensional formulas, value of this distance dimensional formulas is L1, M0, T0, because here dimensions of M and T is 0, M0 and T0. Therefore, the value of L1, therefore the dimensional formula of the distance is M0, L1 and T0. Now, there are 5 systems. Friends, there are total 5 systems for measuring and for units and measurements, especially for dimensional formulas. There are 5 systems. First one is Mks system. First one is Mks system. Mks system means meter, kilogram and second. Mks system means meter, kilogram and second. Next, Mksa system. Meter, kilogram, second and ampere. Mksa. Next, Cgs system. Cgs. Centimeter, gram and second. Cgs system means centimeter, gram and second. Mks, Mksa, Cgs and FPS system. FPS system, that is used in Britain. FPS system used in the Britain. Foot, pound and second. FPS means F means foot, P means pound, S means system. And last one, that is the SI. Last system is SI, that is System International. System International. 5 system: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. First one is meter, kilogram, second is meter, kilogram, second, ampere. Third one is centimeter, gram, second. Fourth one foot, pound, second. And last system, all the physical systems are measured by this system, that is System International. Now in 11th and 12th science, mostly we are used this last one system international. Understood? These 5 system. Friends, please note down all the systems. It is very much important for next 2 years, particularly in physics subject. Now, some basic dimensional formulas. First one we already learned about the distance, dimensional formula of the distance. Now second, the dimensional formula of the mass. The dimensional formula of mass is represented by m1, but dimensional formula is represented by MLT form. LT. Dimensions of mass is m1, dimensions of length is 0, and dimension of time is 0. Means dimensional formula of the mass is m1 L0 T0. Friends, that is the system we should write in this way, m1 L0 T0. If you are writing in the way m1, dimensional formula of mass is m1, the dimensional formula of distance is L1, that is true. But that is SI system, we should write in this manner. So I can write in this way. Now dimensional formula of time. Dimensional formula of time, T1, M0, L0, T1. Now area. Dimensional formula of area. Area means length into breadth. Area means length into breadth. L into B. Area is equal to length into breadth is equal to dimensional formula of length. Length means equivalent to distance. Dimensional formula of distance is m0 L1 T0. m0 L1 T0. Dimensional formula of length. Breadth also one type of distance that is measured in the MLT form, m0 L1 T0. Length means one type of distance and breadth also one type of distance, means again multiply m0 L1 T0. Understood? Area means length into breadth. Length, dimensional formula of length means distance. Dimensional formula of the distance m0 L1 T0. I should write m0 L1 T0. Dimensional formula of breadth means one type of distance. Again I can write the dimensional formula of distance m0 L1 T0. Means here dimension of mass 0. Dimension of length L1 L2. Both L1 into L1 in multiplication means the power of L is, in addition L is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Power of dimension of L is L2 and dimension of T is both sides 0. T0 and T0. So we should write the dimensional formula of area is M0 L2 T0. Dimensional formula of area is M0 L2 T0. Next, volume. Volume means length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Now you can easily understand by the area. Area means length into breadth. Volume means length into breadth into height. Length means one type of distance. Breadth means one type of distance. And height means one type of distance. Means a dimensional formula of the volume is M0 L3 T0. M0 L3 T0. Because distance into distance into distance, dimensional formula of distance is M0 L1 T0. M0 L1 T0. M0 L1 T0. Dimensions of M is 0 and dimension of L1 is L1 L1 L1. 3 times. All 3 terms are in multiplication. Then L3 and T. Dimension of T is 0 means T0. Dimensional formula of volume is M0 L3 T0. Now, dimensional formula of density. Dimensional formula of density in standard 10th in subject science and mathematics. We have already studied about the density. Density means mass upon volume. Mass divided by volume. Dimensional formula of mass. Dimensional formula of mass M1 L0 T0. M1 L0 T0 divided by dimensional formula of volume. Dimensional formula of volume is M0 L3 T0. M0 L3 T0 means dimensional formula of density is M1 L minus 3 and T0. M1 L minus 3 T0. Dimensional formula of density is M1 L minus 3 and T0. Next, the dimensional formula of speed. Speed means distance upon time. Distance upon time. Distance and time. Dimensional formula of distance divided by time. Dimensional formula of distance is M0 L1 T0 divided by time, L0 M0 L0 and time T1. The dimensional formula of speed. Dimensional formula of speed is M0 L1 T minus 1. Dimensional formula of speed is M0 L1 and T minus 1. Now, velocity. Displacement upon time means displacement upon time. Displacement is one type of distance. Dimensional formula of distance is M0 L1 T0. Dimensional formula of time M0 L0 T1. And the dimensional formula of velocity. Dimensional formula of velocity is represented by small v. Velocity is represented by small v. Dimensional formula of velocity M0 L1 T minus 1. Dimensional formula of speed and dimensional formula of velocity M0 L1 T minus 1, M0 L1 T minus 1 means both are equal. Speed and velocity both are equal. One is scalar quantity and another one is vector quantity. We will learn in the chapter number 3 and 4. Next, dimensional formula of acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity. Delta means delta represent change. V means velocity. Delta V means change in velocity divided by time. Acceleration is represented by small a in physics. Change in velocity. Change in velocity means one type of velocity. The dimensional formula of velocity M0 L1 T minus 1 divided by dimensional formula of time M0 L0 T1 divided by M0 L1 T minus 1 here T1 then T minus 2. Dimensional formula of acceleration represented by small a. Dimensional formula of acceleration represented by small a is equal to M0 L1 T minus 2. Next, the dimensional formula of force. Force means mass into acceleration. Force means mass into acceleration. Then we should write dimensional formula of mass multiplied by dimensional formula of acceleration. Dimensional formula of mass M1 L0 T0. Dimensional formula of mass and dimensional formula of acceleration is m0 L1 T minus 2 is equal to dimensional formula of force m1 m0 m1 L0 L1, here m1 L1 and T minus 2. Dimensional formula of force, mass into acceleration. So we should write dimensional formula of mass multiplied by dimensional formula of acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration means dimensional formula of force m1 L1 T minus 2. Next, power. Power is equal to work upon time. Work upon time. Power is equal to work in given time. Means in given time how much work is done by this person, that is the power. Power is equal to work divided by time. In given time, work is equal to W. Work is equal to force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement. Then force, dimensional formula of force. Dimensional formula of force is m1 L1 T minus 2 into displacement or distance. Work done is equal to force into displacement. W is equal to F into D. M0 distance means M0 L1 T0. Then my dimensional formula of work is M1 L2 T minus 2. Dimensional formula of work. Dimensional formula of work is m1 L2 T minus 2. Dimensional formula of work. Work is equal to force into distance. Dimensional formula of work m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by time. Dimensional formula of time m0 L0 T1 is equal to dimensional formula of power m1 L2 T minus 3. Dimensional formula of power is equal to work by time. Work divided by time. Work means force into distance or force into displacement. Distance means dimensional formula of distance is m0 L0 T1 and work means dimensional formula of work, that is m1 L2 T minus 2. m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by time m0 L0 T1 is equal to m1 L2 T minus 3. That is the dimensional formula of the power. We will learn in next few lectures in chapter work, energy and power. Work, energy and power. Dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of energy. Energy work means one type of work. Energy means one type of work. Means dimensional formula of work. Dimensional formula of work in the dimensional formula of energy. Both are equal. Means here energy ENERGY, dimensional formula of energy which is equal to dimensional formula of work which is equal to force into distance is equal to m1 L2 T minus 2 into m0 L1 T0. Means dimensional formula of energy. Dimensional formula of energy capital E is equal to dimensional formula of work capital W is equal to m1 L2 T minus 2. These are the basic dimensional formulas. Basic dimensional formulas. In next video lecture we will learn next few dimensional formulas and the applications of dimensional formulas. Thank you, friends.